Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by cutting power. Unplug the airport extreme for 10 to 30 seconds, then plug it back in to clear transient faults. Once done, make sure the modem Ethernet cable is seated and the main power LED begins its startup sequence. If you plan to keep settings, note the admin password now. Otherwise, prepare for a factory reset. You'll use Airport Utility on your Mac or iOS device, so open it and watch for the base station to appear. Now decide which reset fits. Soft reset when you forgot the password. Hard reset to return to default password. Factory reset to erase everything. For a soft reset, press and hold the reset button about 5 seconds until LEDs flash, then reconfigure in Airport Utility. For hard reset, hold 10 seconds. This keeps some settings but restores password. For full factory, press and hold 30 seconds until LEDs blink rapidly. Release and wait for the unit to reboot with factory defaults. After the reset, open Airport Utility and complete setup. Set the SSID, create a strong password, and confirm WAN settings match your ISP. Once configured, update firmware if prompted. Then power cycle the modem, wait 30 seconds, and start the airport to ensure a clean DHCP lease. If your device doesn't appear, connect directly via Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi issues and try another computer or iOS device. If problems persist, repeat the factory reset once more and verify cables and ISP status.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.